Trubor nakaslem jong unong san hima. Manomtot ka kam ka jam ama ka jingbam biang ka boarding. One shaka orange electrical lom sopo nok mai nakabenta ki diesel generator.
Ulam phang ke ying dorbar thau an uba met ba lingdo hagasi balang ulong bagathong kalong ban penlong ya dorbar mang tingka hauleber arjar arpho ar hagaying dorbar thau an ka bthamai hamau diang diang ya gani uba met ba ulakren hadin bolawan jurep ya jing shnai hagaying dorbar thau an ka bthamai ulai thuru balakumno ya gani ki jingtei ka ba shongdor kumba shispa sauphoi klor anla ban pendap apo no para arjar arphoi.
Happy to inform all of you that today we had the detailed review meeting on the inspection of the progress of work of the new assembly building at Mawd Eng Dieng. And for your information, we would like to inform that almost 50% of the work has been completed. That's only the civil work I'm talking about, and which we are looking at maybe by end of October. More or less or first part of November, the balance work will be completed. In addition to that also, we have there are a lot of other things also which the contractor has to complete, like the electrical, water supply and other works also. And we intend to complete the construction of the building by December 2021, that means next year. And today we had called all the stakeholders who are a part of this project. The consultant from Delhi, the design associates, also represent at the site. We had called also the officers and representatives from different line departments, especially from PWD building, the security from the police department, and from the mechanical line also in the PWD department, and other line departments also, like from MODA as well. So, so a team from finance also were there. Finance and planning were also there, where also they play a very important role with regards to the
Chief Secretary
funding. And today we were joined by the Honorable Minister of Urban, Hamlet Dolly, and the Chief Secretary, Mr. Rao, where we have discussed in details about the progress of the work. That is all which I can tell you right now. So I think you are aware about the total project cost, which is about 141 crores, and the tender value is 127.76 crores. The civil works is basically the structure, but in addition to that, like as I've said, interior works, external developments of plumbing works, firefighting works, electrical works, lifts, and the heating and cooling system of the entire building. So these are basically the civil works that. Today we had specifically called the finance team and the planning team. You were there, and over and above that, I had a number of reviews with the Chief Minister, and he has assured that as far as funding is concerned with regards to this new assembly building, will not be a problem at all. So he has assured that fully, and I'm confident that there won't be any problem and it will be done. Well, that is not basically change in terms of the drawings or the original plans. It's basically the additional work that they had to take up at the initial stage when they have started the foundation work, because the place where the construction has taken place is basically a valley type kind of. So for that reasons, the additional work has to be taken up, and that is basically the major changes. The construction, in fact, the contractor has really suffered a lot with regards to the laborers, and we have discussed that at length. As of now, the laborers, as far as the version from the contractor is okay, but they need more skilled people to come in, like from outside. So we have worked it out today, and that will be taken care, which I have spoken to the political department, and they will assist him with regards to the permission and how they will come in and what sort of quarantine because of this pandemic. issue. In fact, when I compare to the difference from the last inspection that I have done in the month of June, 23rd of June, I think. Now it's first week of September. The progress of work is really fantastic, and which I could see the seriousness of the contractor to see that how they complete the work on time. This is very challenging. In fact, they have not come to us with excuses. In fact, they have come up with a solution. I should rather, say it that way, because the progress of work is really very good. So, as I've said, the tender value is 127. So that will be made available by the state government. They have paid almost 50% because that is taken care by the Ludi department. This will be separately for the assembly for the time being, because we need that immediately. We look for the scheme from the new township. I think that will take a lot of time, because we intend to start the thing by end of next year. So hopefully by then. The intention, as I said, God forbid everything should be fine and everything should be smooth. Our target is that the first budget session of 2022, being the golden year, celebration for our statehood, that has to take place in that new building. So we are walking in that direction from today. I think I have been to just one or two assembly, buildings in the country so far. But I feel that this will be one of the most beautiful and very iconic building, I should say, as far as the structure is concerned, the design is concerned, and all the facilities that we will be providing within that building itself. We'll be having the speaker's room, we'll be having the opposition's room, we'll be having the chief whip, we'll be having the deputy chief whip, that will from the legislative side, and we'll be having the officers' room separately from the commissioner's secretary, the secretary, and so on. And we will be having the opposition's room, like the leader of the opposition, and we'll be having the one or two more rooms for the opposition, so that they can fit in, like maybe the opposition chief whip, like that. And we'll be having the yes lobby and the no's lobby, and then we'll be having the cafeteria, we'll be having the the lounge, and we'll be having the open kind of hall where we can assemble, and in case of any high dignitaries comes from outside the state, or the honorable governor comes to address the session and so on. So we are more or less equipped with all the things which is required for the assembly. We have already prepared the concept paper for the entire assembly office, like right from the quarters, as well the speaker's quarter, the chief LO, and others also, like staff and everything. So that will be in the second phase most likely. But now the first phase is we would like to complete the assembly building first. That is the first phase. We work out something around, I know that is what we have worked out as per the consent note, to about 500 crores plus.